Okay, guys. Hi. I'm sorry I can't be there today. Lily's sick, so I'm recording this at home, so you may hear my dog snoring, my other kids yelling. This is what my house sounds like. So today we're going to start a new unit since we finished our Love Stories unit, and it's all about cycles. So, what do you think about when you hear the word cycle? Do you think bicycle? Do you think recycle? Maybe you do a lot of laundry and you think about the spin cycle or the rinse cycle. What a cycle is a number of actions or stages that repeat over and over. So this is different from a linear sequence where we start at the beginning and we go to the end and we're never looping back. Okay, so like every day you have first hour, then second hour, then third hour, then fourth hour. So that's a linear sequence. So we're working in one direction only. In a cycle, we go around and around and around. So after we finish 4, we go back to 1. So one example of a cycle that you are familiar with is the cycle of seasons. In the Northern Hemisphere, where I think all of the countries of our current students are, we start the year in winter. Okay, so December, January, February, and part of March, it's winter and it's cold. But then every year, believe it or not, it will turn to spring. There's going to be leaves on the trees again. There's going to be flowers coming up. And that will turn to summer. And in Minnesota, summer lasts June, July, August, and a little bit of September. And then we'll go to fall again, where we started the school year last year. So, and then we return to winter. If you are from where the Southern Hemisphere, like where Sebastian is from, the year actually starts in the summer. So January, and December, January, February, and March are summer in Peru, and then they move to fall. When we move to spring, they move to winter when we're in summer and spring. But then they come back. So the stages are all the same, it's just where they are changes. Nature is full of cycles. There's the water cycle, so how water moves through the earth, through the atmosphere. There's the carbon dioxide cycle, which we're going to talk about more, but that's basically plants take in CO2 and everything else creates CO2. And then we're going to talk a lot about life cycles of different types of animals. So today what you're going to do is you are going to watch some videos about the water cycle. You're going to watch 2 of them. And you're going to use them to write some definitions. You're going to label some pictures. You're even going to draw a little. Let me show you more about that. So you have 3 worksheets that you're going to do. This one, what you're going to be doing is you're going to draw in, sorry about that, you're going to draw in the stages of each part of the water cycle. And then on the next page, you're going to write in some definitions for evaporation. You can write the English definition and your native definition and then do a sketch and for each one of the terms. And then on the last page, we just have another representation of the water cycle and you're going to write in the terms. Do the best you can and submit it when you're done, and with the remaining time, you can have some free time. You're taking the speaking test this afternoon. Do your best, speak loudly, speak clearly, and I will see you tomorrow.